the channel. Talking Head Namazu here. Today is a particularly special day. I am actually doing this vlogging style, this unscripted vlogging style for the first time. So please excuse me if I stumble my words quite a bit. I am actually on my way to pick up something very special. This is something that I've been wanting to have for a very long time, and it took me a while. With a bit of help, with a bit of pulling some strings, I am finally able to pick this up. The item arrived a few months ago, but the country was in lockdown, so finally the country just lifted the lockdown, so now I can actually go and pick it up. So this is very exciting. So let's check it out. Let's go and have a look. What is it I have in store for you and for myself particularly. I'm experimenting a new format for this video, so I encourage you guys to wear headphones for a unique ASMR like unboxing experience. Ta-da! of it. Let's look at the details.
An arrowhead tip design. Basic suka wrapping and plastic isamehara. Arrow feathers for the manuki. Lightweight tsuba, probably made of aluminum. Has nice cool arrowhead design. The kurigata is part of the saya. Thin cotton sageo and basic wooden saya. Habaki and seppa is a single piece. There's no bohi or groove for this one. Basic printed hamon design. There's a thick scent of oil and steel, hint of char as well. Possibly came straight from the smith, packaged tightly over many months. Let's test the sharpness. Feels okay. Some parts of the blade doesn't feel consistent, but it's fixable with a bit of sharpening. The saya feels wide, and the koiguchi looks worn out. Is it perhaps a used saya? The habaki is so large, the koiguchi needs to compensate for tight fitting. Could it be an afterthought? At least it's a decently tight fit for now. The diameter of the saya feels larger than my iaito's. Even the handle feels wider than what I am used to. As for blade length, it feels slightly shorter. There is a sense where it feels less blade travel cutting through the air. Visually, you can see the width of the blade becomes thinner as we reach towards the tip. This tsuba is very lightweight. I suspect the width of the blade near the habaki is heavy, which contributes the sword balance near towards the handle. Lighter tip with a heavier handle. I can imagine it's designed for agility like a western rapier. When doing kata, I can feel there is less strain on the forearms because the tip is much lighter. Some say it's ideal for kata control, but I need more time with it to confirm that theory. It could have been just a preference. Doing noto is nerve-wracking. This blade takes me back the first time I held my first iaito. It invigorates my excitement and nervousness when handling a dangerous tool. It's a good reminder that we always need to be careful and respect that even with years of experience. For sure, with a new sword, the feeling of doing the kata will feel very different from the previous swords. Thanks for watching up to this point. I hope you find this new audio format entertaining. So that was the unboxing and first impression of my live blade. Coming up next week are my first real cutting. Here's a snippet of that video. I'm looking forward to show you guys very soon. In the meantime, practice hard, practice safe, and stay zanshin. Do share, like, and subscribe to this channel. Come check out my other cool videos. Thanks, and see you in the next one. Arigatou gozaimasu.